Hello everyone, welcome back to the Slow Beamer channel. Today is day 2 of installing the turbos on Justin's car. Right now he's still at work, it's like 4 something right now, so we have a friend at our local BMW dealership. His name's Khalil, he's a salesman. If you need any BMWs or if you want to buy a BMW and are around the area, feel free to hit him up and let him know that we sent you. But we're gonna go to, or I'm gonna go to Bill Jacobs and pick up some bolts for his car. And then I'm going to be meeting up with Justin later at Carlos's shop again. And then hopefully we'll be able to finish installing the turbos and everything tonight. But if not, we also have tomorrow, Sunday. So fingers crossed, we'll get it done. I always hate this light by my house because the light is always super short. Can we make this? Okay, good. This light by my house always is red. Like, it's always red. And the green light is literally like 30 seconds. It's so short. It's so annoying. I hate living by this light, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta wait, you know? Patience. We have pulled up. Let's see. Are there any decent cars here today? Okay, we have made it at Bill Jacobs. Time to find our salesman, Khalil. Can help us with the parts. So let me double check. Like I said in my last vlog, I always double check which parts they are. Okay, Justin sent me the part number, which is good. It's water pump bolts and then sway bar link nuts. So those are the 2 part numbers, thank God. So we're gonna go inside. I will have you guys on my phone to keep you guys updated. Look at this Sao Paulo G82. Sao Paulo yellow, G82 M4. That's dope. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah, I need a G82, guys. But right now I'm gonna find Khalil, and then I gotta pick up some sway bar link nuts, and then also bolts for his water pump. So that's kind of the plan for today. Yeah, we'll see if he's around. Alright guys, we're waiting here for parts, and this is M4 comp. Kind of cool. It's a vert. I got the iDrive 8. It's pretty cool. I got the comfort seats.
Hey, how are you?
iDrive 8. Hey, what's up? How you doing, Khalil?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing a vlog. This is Khalil. We're at Bill Jacobs picking up some parts for Justin. So, okay, wait. Look how cute this hoodie is. This is actually really cute. You guys think Justin would like it? Should I get it for him? I don't know. It's so cute. Okay, so good and bad news. We only got one of the bolts. They only had one of them, and the other one wouldn't get here till next Friday. So, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna look something up right now, see if maybe AutoZone or like Harbor or somewhere that has like the same dimension or size of them, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Alright, so I got around like an hour before I pick them up, so I'm probably gonna pick up some Starbucks. I know. I really like their dragon drink, okay? That's like the only reason I go to Starbucks. Their dragon drink with like the dragon fruit and the coconut milk, that's my favorite. So I'm gonna get one of those. I'm probably gonna get Justin one too, and then he also needs a cup of ice for his ankle, because his ankle is always sore. So yes, that is the plan. These bumps here, like, you would think in the suburbs that they have better roads, but sometimes not. Sometimes it's worse. Like, especially these little parking lots that, like, they don't really use. Yeah. That's my headrest. This is the nice thing about the 6. I mean, I loved my sports car-ish, like, 428. Like, it was nimble, it could move, you know? But, like, there's something about a big body and, like, just, like, being able to chill and cruise that, like, it's just uncomparable, especially with the drop top. Like, yeah, it's just like, it's a boat, but like, you know, watch me cruise in peace and comfort. Okay, this is the not so good thing about driving a huge car that's so wide. Like, there's wide for no reason. The hood's so long for no reason. Like, there's no space in here. But I love this car, you know? Like, it stands out. It looks good, but like, damn. Like, fitting in these drive-thrus sometimes, if it wasn't for this top-down view, I would not be able to make it.
Choosing our Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get 2 venti dragon drinks?
Anything else?
And then also a cup of ice.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
2 venti dragon drinks and a venti cup of ice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, $12.51 at the window.
Perfect, thank you. Yay, dragon drink. Okay, I don't know about these boba things that Starbucks has been having, or like it's supposed to be like knockoff popping boba. Summer berry lemonade refresher. Yeah, I wonder how that tastes. Hey, what's up, babe? Hello?
Hey, babe.
What's up?
Hey, do you think you can pick me up early?
Yeah, I got you. I can
Okay,
literally come over
thanks.
right now.
You can just pull up to the front. I might just need a hand with grabbing some stuff.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Hello. Mm-hmm. No, actually, yeah. Thanks. All right, perfect. Thank you. Hi, I'm with Justin now.
Hi.
So we have a little issue.
Yeah.
His foot. So this man got a little injured at work, and we're not working on the car right now, but we're gonna get him to urgent care and get him. Yeah, I got him the dragon drink. Yeah, we're gonna get him an urgent care and.
I'm gonna hand you these. We help those with their life. We're roughly in charge here.
Guys, he's here at the hospital.
Free me.
Free him. Yeah, all he wanted to do was work, and then
This is what ethical work gets you.
unfortunately. Excuse. Justin got his little splint.
Yeah,
Click on your page. Is there a car how many car meetups?
Look at Justin here with his agua refresca. That's his favorite. Here at Carlos's, we just made it. He's on crutches. Yep. R.I.P.
You got a burrito.
Yeah, he got a burrito. What is it again? Buffalo chicken?
Now it's like Chipotle barbecue from Taco Bell.
Huh. How is it? Can I get a bite? There you go. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna go inside, eat.
Right now. I should have grabbed the towels for home.
Oh, really? It's okay. At least it's a short walk.
Yeah, it's so true. Oh, let's hit not a weight bearing, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
Hop. Can you hop? Okay. Babe, Oh shit. I got my favorite thing.
I'm saying, so you
Chicken
gonna pack anything?
chalupas from Taco Bell. He has a little box.
Yeah.
How would you rate your Taco Bell order?
That was pretty good.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'll give it an 11.
What about your pain?
I'm chilling.
You didn't get painkillers.
No.
So-
I mean, yeah, I took the Tylenol.
Yeah, you took the Tylenol, but not like prescription. You like the fan?
Yeah. Only fans. Only fans coming soon.
Yeah, follow Justin's OnlyFans
Yeah.
link for his foot.
Yep.
Feet pics all day.
Yeah. Awesome. Hi.
Let's see.
But you can see the turbos more like this. Well, not that much more, but
Oh yeah,
you can see them back there.
That's awesome.
that is dope.
What is it?
You tilt the little,
Oh, yeah, I see him down there.
tilt the dress up a little bit.
Little, you know, sleeper-ish. Yeah, I see the Terpsky.
I can always get that heat stroke
If you would have ran the intake style like this on this side and no heat shield, I would have seen the turbos a little better.
Oh, yeah, definitely. But I kind of like it, though. I like people not seeing them.
He wants to be
Yeah, I mean-
sleeper-ish. He wants people to chest him and then fuck around and find out.
Yeah,
Says the
exactly.
guy that says, I'm gonna go big single.
Yeah, true.